Hello! In this video, we will talk about the past continuous. Let's start. The past continuous is a tense that is used to talk about an ongoing action that happened in the past. But first, let's go over the past form of to be, which is was in singular form and were in plural. So, how do we form a past continuous? We use was, were, and verb ing. Now let's make some sentences with the past continuous positive. The positive form of this tense is made with was, were, verb ing. Let's go over some examples. I was washing my car. I was talking on the phone. We were cooking in the kitchen. Now let's go over the past continuous negative, which is formed with wasn't, weren't, verb ing. Let's read the examples. I wasn't sitting outside. I wasn't listening to music. We weren't playing football. While making past continuous question form sentences, we use was, were in the beginning of the sentence. Now let's go over the examples. Was she washing the dishes? Were they walking the dog? Were you studying science? Now let's revise. I was tidying my room, positive statement. I wasn't tidying my room, negative statement. Were you tidying your room, question form. All these sentences are made with the past continuous. Now let's go over other positive, negative, and question statements. They were going shopping, positive. They weren't going shopping, negative. Were they going shopping, question form. Thank you for watching. See you all later. Bye.